Ben is fixing his car. I don't really know what he's fixing yet. Find out.
It's a belt.
Oh. The belt is squeaky. And we're doing this at 6 in the evening. It's dark.
And cold.
And cold. What size are those bolts? 10 millimeter?
Yeah.
So you're taking off the shield. I don't know why they've even put it on. But Subaru.
Alright.
Okay, well, we figured out. Here, point at that where that part's broken that's supposed to go. Yeah, there's a tensioner that's missing. It's like that one. Here, point at the other one. But it's gone because it broke. But the belt only does the AC compressor and it's cold. So Ben's going to drive with no AC.
In the middle.
So we're going to take that belt off until we can actually get the right part. And
I want to be loose. I want to be loosening this one, yeah.
So, oh, because you got to loosen the front nut on it. See that nut there? Yeah, loosen that. That's why it's a pain. You're like, this thing won't come done.
I think that's how the other one broke.
Problem solving. Don't you hate that? You get mad because it breaks and then you finally realize what you're doing is what broke it. Crap. Not the way it's supposed to go. Okay, yeah. See if you can pull it off of the alternator, because that's the smallest wheel. If not, make it easier.
I guess I could probably loosen this up a bit more.
Okay, I'm going to pause the video while he unscrews stuff. Okay, now go ahead and try and pop her off. Is it easier? No, just keep unwinding. Oh yeah, I pushed down on the alternator. You didn't see it because I wasn't videotaping it. That should help get the belt off. Kind of, well, I guess you can't because it won't. Here, just peel it one side instead of both at the same time.
So,
let's see if I can. So, here, you hold the camera, I'll hold it. Don't get dirty.
I want me to hold the flashlight too.
I got it. But anyway, yeah, like that. Okay, that one's off.
Alright, now we can remove the AC one.
Take the AC one off. And this one's gonna be fun.
This one's actually pretty easy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you got a wrench. I got the ratcheting wrenches, but they're... Here, turn the light on. What size is that one? 10 millimeter?
12.
12? There we go. Just remember to tighten that nut before we go.
Yes.
Otherwise it'll find its way onto the freeway as you're going down the road. And then you'll be like, dang it, where'd that bolt go? I forgot to tighten it.
And there's the belt.
Yeah, tighten that bolt first though. Sometimes I feel like I'm not even videotaping something. Not really aiming at it. Keeps telling me the battery on the camera is going to go out, but as long as it don't.
Mine does the same thing.
Used to have those lithium batteries. Those were great, and they're like $1 a pop. But then they decided to change the cost of them, and make them $2.50 a piece. And
That's
like,
too
dang
bad.
Because they lasted longer and they weighed half the weight. It's not quite on the power steering pump quite yet.
Is that the bottom one?
The top one here.
Top one.
Yeah, it cranks the bottom one. Wish I had 3 hands.
That would be helpful. Seems all the way on.
Yeah, it came on after I said something about it, of course.
Of course. There we go.
Yeah. Alright, you probably just pull that up and then do it by hand if you can, because that'll go faster, unless it's really tight. I don't know if it's faster, but it sounds faster.
I think it is faster.
And don't lose the belt that we took off.
I'll try not to.
Where'd the spare tire go? Put it there. That way it doesn't get...
Yes, that way I won't lose it unless I...
Make sure it's tightened. Yeah. Let's see. This. That's good. Well, maybe a little more. Yeah, that's good.
Right there?
Yeah, I think that's fine. That squeaks, just make it a little tighter.
Yeah.
Better than that than bending the bearings and all that.
Yes. Let's see what
braking stuff is
sounds like.
Fine. Is everything clear? Yeah.
What?
Okay, go ahead.
Okay.
Yay! Here, crank the steering back and forth hard. Well, we know what the next problem is. Your power steering pump's going out.
That's unfortunate.
Yeah. No way to cheat that one.
No.
Okay, well...